In this video, I'm going to be answering the question if you can find designers on Hacoo. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so if you try to find designers or branded products on Hacoo, this can be possible, and let's understand why brands are hidden on Hacoo as well. So these brand items Hacoo blocks these brand items from appearing in the normal search results to avoid intellectual property violations, and also branded looking items that appear in the app are typically shared via direct links in TikTok, Telegram, or other platforms, and it's not searchable within the app itself. So if you want to go ahead and find designer products on Hacoo, you can always check out social communities, TikTok, Telegram, or Instagram, or even YouTube, who post haul videos or curate Hacoo links. That's the best way to find designers inside Hacoo. And there's a few things to be aware of. So counterfeit risk. So many items labeled a designer through these methods are not authentic. They often have imitations or knockoffs. And also reviews on TikTok often reveal that the quality or branding isn't on par with authentic products. And also Hacoo claims to remove suspicious listings, but enforcement appears inconsistent.